Hoy! Andyan ka pala! Andito na naman ako, and today, I do have a box, and this is from Hoya Hau. So, recently, Hoya Hau and the other Hoya people who sells Hoyas started a new Facebook group called Hoya Haven BST. And of course, he did a purge. And unfortunately, because of my internet, I did not win anything. Good thing though, I lingered, and thank you to Janelle. Like, we do have this Facebook group messenger thing. Then so she posted that Hau was doing a surprise box. So basically, you wouldn't know what's in it. But it's only gonna be for the first 10 people who posted a comment sold. And fortunately, I'm one of them. So we're doing this. We're opening it. Actually, I opened it already. Well, I haven't seen the inside, but I opened the box because, yeah, my husband can blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So I need to re-record. But anyways, moving along. So yes, this is from Hau. It actually came yesterday. But of course, okay. So here's a letter. Hi, Joanne or John. The Davao Philippine is one of my previous Hoya from my collection. This cutting is 8 months worth of new growth. OMG, so I died a little inside. I'm sorry, and yes, I will be good to her. Okay, so he did listed the cuttings here. And I can already see it peeking through. He listed it here, but I'm not gonna say what they. Well, we're just gonna. I'll reveal it as we go. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have a name. Which one is this? I'm assuming this is the Hoya Graffiti Silver because it has silver. Is it the Hoya Graffiti Silver? There's one. Two. Okay, I don't know which one this is. Okay, so most likely this is the Davao. Or is this the Davao? Hoyang Filipina, how thank you. But you cut your plant for me. And a Hoya chinghungensis. So this is so perfect that he sent me this because the one that Yen sent me, sorry Yen, it died. Thank you, Hau. Sorry Yen. And okay, I need to dump this. And a Hoya elliptica. I believe I do not have this clone. Yes. Thank you, Hau. Okay, this is, yeah, I need to soak them in a container. And a Hoya manipurensis. So I did get a manipurensis from him before. And this one has fatter leaves. Maybe it's a different kind of manipurensis, but yeah, this one has more heart-shaped leaves. Mine, the one that I got from him before, is more elongated. So correct me if I'm wrong, is this a different clone of manipurensis? And I believe that's it. Okay, I'm gonna just clean this up, as you can tell. And we'll do the close-up thingy like I usually do. I do have here a container, and yes, if you recognize this, I did get this from Jollibee's Palabok. So yeah, so filtered water, we're just gonna dunk them in there. So again, a close-up of what I got. This is the Hoya manipurensis cutting, and just like what I was saying earlier, it's more wider than the Hoya manipurensis that I got from him before. So go swing there, swing. And, oh, I need to put more water, I guess. I'll do that in a bit. And this one is a Hoya elliptica, which I believe I don't have this clone yet. Yay, thank you, Hau. I might lose this leaf here, but it's okay. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nodes. And there's a growth point there, as you can see. Please hydrate, Mr. Turtle. Hydrate yourself. And then, So this chinghungensis, apparently it's rooted. So, but I'm still gonna dunk him there, just in case. And then, okay, I don't know which one is which. Is this the silver graffiti? Because it has speckles. I'm assuming it is. So a little bit dehydrated, so I'm gonna do this. I think this soaking method is working so far. Thank you, Janelle, for reminding me to do this. And also, hopefully, it works for this. And I do believe this is the Hoya Spa Davao, Philippines. So the one that I got from Rick does look different from this one. So if ever this is another species, a different one, then that's yay. Thank you, Hau. And I know this is a very generous cutting. I would have been happy with this one, but hey, thank you. So here's our Hoya soup. So do check out that new Facebook group, Hoya Haven BST. Yes, I'm gonna let them soak here for a few, maybe hours, because I do need to do some errands anyways. And if you haven't been subscribing to our channel, please do subscribe. And also our Instagram is up here at Jillian's_plant_corner. I do post a lot there, so I hope to see you there as well. Comment down below what you think. And yes, how exciting is this, right? I got another elliptica clone, a Hoya manipurensis cutting that totally looks different from the manipurensis that I have, and then a Hoya Filipina, and also I get to redeem myself with the Hoya chinghungensis. And this graffiti, what keep saying graffiti? It's graffiti silver. I actually wanted to get one, and good thing Hau knows what I like with Hoyas. So thank you very much. Shout out to Grow.Babies again, or Hoya Hau. Check him out on his purges on Facebook group Hoya Haven BST. And again, kita-kita tayo dito next time, and also on Instagram, and may you always be blessed.